Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to use Callout in Notion. So let's get started. Today I'm going to show you how to use Callout blocks in Notion. If you're new to Notion and want to make your notes more engaging, Callout blocks are one of the easiest ways to highlight important information and make your pages easier to read. To create one, simply type /callout. You'll see a drop-down appear. Click on Callout, and Notion will instantly generate a block with an icon and a colored background. This is perfect for drawing attention to key reminders, tips, warnings, or anything you don't want to miss. Once the block appears, just click inside and start typing your text. Think of it as a digital highlighter. Whether it's an important fact, a quick note, or a task you want to prioritize, adding it inside a callout helps it stand out from the rest of your content. You can also customize the look. Click the icon to change it, choose from emojis, or upload your own. Then click the block to change the background color. Notion gives you several color options, so you can match your style or organize your notes visually. Callout blocks are versatile and can be used in almost any type of page: study notes, checklists, recipes, project planning, reminders, and more. Using them thoughtfully can make your workspace more organized, colorful, and easy to scan. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.